Hello, Mr. President.
Mr. President, the President of the People's Republic of China.
Good to meet you. Not again. Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
很高兴再次见到你。Me too.
And we're going to have a very successful meeting, I have no doubt.
我肯定我们今天会有非常成功的会议。
But he's a very tough negotiator. That's not good.
但是他是很强硬的谈判者哦，这不好。
We know each other well.
我们相互之间非常了解。
Mr. President, do you plan to sign a trade deal today?
Could be.
有可能。
I think we have, we'll have a great understanding.
More nuclear testing.
Thank you very much, everybody. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Start moving. Thank you, press. Thank you, press. Thank you, press.
Okay, we're heading out.